Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Namaste, Welcome and welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you guys are doing perfectly fine. And first of all, a big thank you and gratitude to all my foreign subscribers who poured a lot of love and who given a lot of support by putting a nice comment in the comment section below. So thank you very much for that. Now let's come to the video. So in this video I'll be going to show you some tricks you can do with the Kindle Fire Stick in order to make it worthy of the money you spent on it. So first of all, I'll start with a little story. You know, when I bought the Kindle Fire Stick, I want to watch live TV on my Fire Stick, and I thought it's Android in Kindle, so I'm able to install GeoTV, TV and smoothly. And I also watched a lot of tutorials on YouTube, and in all those tutorials you are able to install, but when I tried myself, I'm not able to do it. I think the reason is because all those videos are pretty old, 1 year old or 2 year old. That's why they are able to install it. But right now, after a few upgrades in the Kindle Fire Stick, you're not able to install the Airtel TV or GeoTV. So first of all, I have tried to install Airtel TV. Okay, and Airtel TV is installed, but it was not properly compatible with my Kindle Fire Stick, and I'm not able to use a few functions like full screen and some other functions. And if we talk about GeoTV, it's not get installed, right? So after that, I have done some more research and I came to one more app that is called Thop TV, THOP TV, and you can use that app worldwide. It's just not restricted to India. You can install this app worldwide and you can watch all the channels there, English, Hindi, whatever, and all other regional languages. If you are from India, then you can also watch other regional languages channels. Now the second thing we're gonna discuss is how to mirror your screen into your Kindle Fire Stick. So in previous models, then when the Kindle Fire Stick came into the market, that mirroring option was pre-installed in the Kindle Fire Stick. You can see it in the developer options, you can find it easily, but nowadays I don't know why that was removed. I think because that function was not flawlessly working at that time, that's why it was removed. And but you don't have to worry at all. You can do that by the third-party app, that's AirScreen. And for installing AirScreen, you need app.tv. Okay, but app.tv is another good app. I'll show you what you can do with it. It's a pretty deep app in itself. It's like a market to the Play Store, so you can install whatever you want from the Play Store directly to your TV. So now let's just go inside where my TV is and where my Kindle Fire Stick is, and let me show you how to do all these things. So let's just go inside. Okay, so right now I'm inside and there are few prerequisites you need for this action to perform. First of all, you need your Android phone, and then go to the Play Store because you need an app, and go to the search bar and search for Easy Fire Tools. So this will be like this. This is the app, Easy Fire Tools. Okay, so this is the app you need to install, but in my case I have already installed the app, so I'm going to open it. Okay, so now it will show us some installed apps and then some downloaded apps. Let's move to the Kindle Fire Stick, and what you need to do is go to the settings, go to My Fire Stick. After going to My Fire Stick, just go to developer options. What you exactly need to do, you have to make these options on, be debugging on, and apps from unknown sources on, turn on. That's it. These are the two things you need to do in order to get these apps in your Kindle Fire Stick. By the way, first of all, I'm going to install the Live TV app, and after that I'm going to install the other app that is for mirroring and for casting your phone directly to your Fire Stick. Now you have to go to the official website of Thop TV. Yes, that's the app you need to install, and this will be the icon for the app. So this is their website. I'll provide the link in the description below. You can copy the link from there and download it. So now just go to the download link This is the updated version we have. Okay, and it is of 11.7 MB. It will start download after waiting for 5 seconds. Now you can see the app has been downloaded to my phone. Now what are we going to do? We're going to use the APK Fire Tool app again that we have installed earlier. This app is very easy to use. I mean, there are a few functions. Go to this option here, and now it will look for your fire sticks in the network. I mean, you need to be in the same Wi-Fi network with the Kindle Fire Stick. So it's already found my Fire Stick. Now here we go, and now after this, let me just click on this option. Now it will ask for this authorization request, and now you can see my TV. Okay, so this is the kind of code you will see. So now you have to press continue here, continue, and press OK here in the TV. Now this icon that was dead gray earlier when the TV was not connected or the Kindle Fire Stick was not connected, that is now green. So that means that Kindle Fire Stick has already been connected with my phone, and we will look for this download. Okay, this is the 6th version. You can see that is the new version. Like yesterday itself, I've been seeing this 5 version, and now there is the 6th version. So let's just send this. Now it's showing that install the app Thop TV on your Fire TV. I say yes. Okay, now it's installing the app directly, and as soon as it's done by the installing, you can see the app directly in your Kindle Fire Stick. Now you guys must say that you can go to the browser and download the app directly from there, but I have tried it already, and somehow that function is disabled. You're not able to download any app directly via the browser. So now let me just go to the home. Okay, so this is the app, and as you can see, there are a few links in the app inside, and we need to go to GeoDB. It's actually they changed the name, I don't know why, but it's it says Jasmine TV, it says LEM TV, and there are a few I mean, I think it's a copy for Hotstar movies. You can explore this app all you want. It's a pretty decent and pretty useful app. So this is the TV in which you go, and sometimes you can see the ads like this. Okay, I mean, this app is free, so how will they earn? Like, these ads are their only way to earn. You need to press the back button once, that's it, and that ad is now gone, long gone. So let me just play some channel. All the channels are playing. I've checked this app. I've played channels on this app like from a week now. So let's go to Sony HD. Okay, let me play some other channel. Okay, so all the channels are working. All the channels in this particular app are working, and this is how you watch live TV on your Kindle Fire Stick for free. So now it brings me to our other app that we need to install in our Kindle Fire Stick. you need to install, you need to sideload this app, app.tv, that is already been downloaded. I'll provide the link in the description below for this also. So this is the app. You need to sideload this app into your Kindle Fire Stick. Let me just do it quickly. Okay, it's yes. Okay, so now the app is installed. Let me just show you where the app is. Go to the home. This is the app.tv. Now what you need to do is, okay, so let me just tell you something about app.app is. App.app is nothing, it's just an app that provides you access to the all market apps of your Android. So let me just go here, and it provides us a gateway to all the apps that are on the market and that can be downloaded in your Kindle Fire Stick directly. So now you will tell me, why can't we download the Thop TV? Why do we need to follow the procedure that we followed earlier? So the thing, my friends, is that you're not able to do it because Thop TV is not on market itself, on Google Play Store actually. So hello, yes, it's asking for an update, and I think update has been done already. So now let's go to the search option and search for okay, next. Okay, so now we found it. This is the app you need to install. By this app you can easily cast your phone, your Android phone, your Apple phone. In fact, you can also cast your laptop. Doesn't matter if it's Windows or if it's Apple, you can cast it easily. You don't have to worry at all. In case you want to watch pictures, you want to watch a video, and you want the output on the big screen, and you want the sound to be on the big screen, then this is the solution. So let the big guy download it because it's a pretty hefty app. Okay, so now let me quickly install the app. Okay, so the app is installed now and ready to launch. Okay, it's showing us something how to use. I'm going to start the app now. It's initializing. Okay, so now you can see this is the interface of the app, and you need to go to the settings, and this is the first function you can see is AirPlay. So this is the option by which you can connect your Apple laptop or Apple phone to your Kindle Fire Stick. Google Cast is used for Google and your Android phone, and this is the Miracast. Miracast is basically used for Windows laptops, so I will keep it as always on. And now let me just check. I'll go to my phone, here it is, and let me go to the settings. Now here I will search for cast. Okay, so this is the cast option, and now you can see on your screen there are two options. So this is for Miracast. Basically Miracast can be used by Windows and it can be used by Android. It's open open software. So we'll be going to use this Google Connect, and now okay, it's showing us to start. Okay, now so you can see the screen is mirrored, and whatever I do on my phone, it will be shown on to you guys. And this is my channel, and make sure you will subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon also in order to get any updates. I hope guys you have liked the video, because the tricks I have shared in this video, I found them very useful for my Kindle Fire Stick, and I hope you will also find them useful. And if you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section below. I'll happy to answer them. And thank you very much for watching. Just give it a like if you liked it, and see you in the next video. Peace, take care.